Hello everyone, welcome to MechZone. I think everyone may have seen that advertisement, diamonds last forever. But do you really think diamonds last forever? Technically a big no. Because in universe, every material of higher energy state will convert into lower energy state material by dissipating some energy. Here diamond is in higher energy state material, so after some time it will convert into a lower energy state material. Then what is that lower energy state material? Can you guess? Yeah, this is how it looks like, and it is graphite, which you can see in a pencil lead. Yeah, you're right. A pencil lead is a form of graphite, and how it graphite is connected to diamond, because diamond's properties are far away from graphite. Diamond is an expensive material, whereas graphite is the cheapest material. Diamond is the hardest material, but graphite is very soft material. How they are connected? So diamond and graphite both are allotropes of carbon. It means they are both are filled with carbon, but here the difference comes is in structure. Diamond In diamond, carbon atoms are connected with all its adjacent carbon atoms and make a strong bonding. But when it comes to graphite, there are layers. Like one layer, like first layer of that carbon atoms will bond with the third layer of carbon atoms and will skip that second layer. If it is connected to second layer, then it will be the same, it will be having same properties, but it is not with this, and that is why the bonding is weaker than the diamond. So that is why it shows different properties than diamond. And if diamond jumps from its higher energy level state, it will turn into graphite, but it will take billions of years. So don't worry, those who have diamonds with you, it will not turn into graphite immediately, but it will take time. Thanks for watching my video. In next video I'll let you know how to convert graphite into diamond. Thank you so much.